Welcome back to the farm. Here's our list of things to do today on the farm. Dad is trusting us with some things. Here we go. All right. We're gonna run the dryer soon. First, we're gonna get some corn from one wagon to the other. Where the wire hooks on, tighten it, but not too tight. Where it hooks to the motor. Yeah, that's the notes that I took. La la la. Or open the choke.
So how do you know when it's open, Krista?
I have no idea.
Here's the flow.
Yeah.
You want your
to go the same direction as that.
This aiming down the pipe.
Okay.
If you do this, it's like putting up a wall that blocks it.
Gotcha. Oh, okay. Woo! Fall colors. Got a little bit of sun. Here they come! Rick and I are in charge now! Woohoo! I didn't video it, but I turned this on to this button right here. It's got to fill up first, and then this big old fan right here, it will turn on. And then once that turns on, it takes about an hour or so. Okay, we're gonna run some more corn from the field wagon up to that wagon, the wet wagon, and then that will go over to the dryer, and then we'll go get some more corn in this wagon from the field. That's today's plan. Whoa, here it goes! It's so loud! Here we go! We're taking off some corn! Woo! Lining it up. Okay, we gotta line her up. Oh yeah, I see that. It's got a little curve to it. Down we go. There they go. They're spinning.
To look like you're pushing a bunch of them, you're starting to go like that.
Yeah.
That means you're not getting them, and it's over congested. Then you can kind of watch, like, as they come in, usually they rip straight down.
Oh, yeah.
When they get over congested, they'll go start to push them.
Okay.
That doesn't mean it's not going to catch up. If you see some that are not over like that one,
Yeah, yeah.
you want to kind of dip, but you got to watch, make sure you don't go over.
Yeah, hit the ground. Yeah.
You kind of want to get under them and try to pick them up.
Yeah.
up to about here. So really, in your cut row for the frame, you're just about. You gotta kind of learn it to know what you're doing.
It's getting kind of full, but not all the way. Alright, now we gotta turn it around somehow.
Turn around and then we're back.
Okay. We gotta back up. How close do you have to be for the arm thing? Oh, 6 feet.
Out in.
Okay. Oh, okay. Ah, it's moving! Okay.
Sometimes you gotta go back.
That looks pretty good.
So like the speed of your auger is run by the speed of your motor.
Oh.
So let's see what happens.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Get to a point where it looks like, oh, it might overflow.
Yeah.
You can slow the speed down by slowing the motor down.
Okay.
Then you can make a little adjustment.
Look at the wind blowing. That goes out fast.
You want to hit
Okay. And then you put it back.
you want to go in. You watch it.
Alright, here I go. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna go take off a couple rows. Already did one row. I'm gonna do another row. Here we go.
See if you can get it.
Right here.
No. Yeah, roll to the left.
Right
There you
here.
go. Straight ahead.
Right there. Okay. Alright, line up with that guy.
If your chips down farther,
That.
yeah, you're still good.
Is that too low?
Just line up on that roll.
Are my tips too low?
Nope, you're good. Yeah, that's still good. You're not getting anything, no.
No, not yet.
You can move them up a little bit. Put it like 12, not 12.
Is that good? Not too low. I want it to be too low.
He's feeling it.
Okay.
Starting to throw some out the front. Yeah.
we have the arm out right now to put the corn in the wagon, and I did that. But now we're just checking to see what Dad wants us to do next. There's the corn in the wagon. Oh, some of it's still coming out. Exciting. It's not too stressful. I did the one row with Dad, but I think they were worried that I would be a little like overwhelmed by how tall the corn is and how it's coming at me. Like, it's very tall this year, I guess, and so it's kind of coming at you really fast. I mean, I'm only going 1 mile an hour. I was going 1.5 at the most today, but it really doesn't freak me out too much. I just make sure that I've got the middle like lined up with the row, and I just keep like compensating for if the row is crooked or whatever. But I think I did okay. I still have to get the hang of like stop and go, like little stops and goes. For some reason, I'll think that it's stopped, but it's starting to move backwards or forwards, and I think it's in neutral, but I don't have it in neutral. So there's like little things I have to figure out. I have to get a little more like used to the equipment. Rick's was very helpful today. I learned more on top of what Dad already taught me last time. Like last time I didn't know about this gear shifter thing down here. To start it, you have to have it in gear lower, high, or whatever to get it to go, which I knew you could use. This is how you go forward and back. This is how you raise the head and lower the head. This is for turning the combine on, and this is for turning on the I don't know what they're called, but like the gears that spin. And then this is for raising the and like putting the arm in and out, and this is for like letting the corn out through the arm. And then this is the throttle. So before we start this, we have to have the throttle going a little bit. And then then you push the throttle like all the way up, and then you go. So I learned that from Dad, but I learned a little bit more from Rick about these things and how to do those. Yeah, and Rick also like gave me some tips as we were going down the rows, just stuff to watch for, like if you're over too far and you're pushing some of the stalks down, just things to watch for. But mostly you just line it up and let it do its thing. Here he comes. He's back! Alright. Figure out what we're going to do next. Rick's going to go do another row and then fill up the combine one more time.
Daily Buggy.